For years, homeowners have tried different types of home water filtration systems. However, each had limited results. But now there's a solution that works. Nature's Miracle Water Filtration Systems. Nature's Miracle Systems provides clean water in every faucet of your home. It gives you noticeable, healthy, better tasting drinking water. It improves the taste of your coffee and provides fresher flavors while cooking. Best of all, it removes chlorine and makes softer, healthier, hydrated skin and hair. Call A&M Plumbing today to set up your free in-home water test at 256-234-5260.